there are between you 5 stories chopped up into quarters. Leave your bags where they are. Leave your pens where they are. Leave the pencil cases where they are. Go and find the other people with your story. Wait. Once you've got everybody in your story, see if you can work out what order that story will go in. Go. Okay. Right. Anybody recognise one of the stories in particular?
Short story.
It is a short story, it's definitely a short story. But what type of short story? Scary story, ghost story. One of them, I wrote the ghost story I told you into smaller sections, and you should have that in front of you. Maybe 2 groups have got the ghost story, I'm not sure. Okay, the other stories are a particular genre of story as well. So, Alana, what is your genre of story, do you think? What type of story do you think it is?
Football.
Football, so it's sporting. Becky? Any ideas about yours? So you've got the ghost story as well. And Sasha, what have you got?
I think it's like a fantasy.
Fantasy. Anyone think they've got a fairy tale in front of them? It's got the fairy tale at the back. How did you know it was a fairy tale, sir?
Because it's got princess.
Yeah, because the character's inside it.